My name is Hassan Bantefour. I'm a medical physicist and physics director at Veritas Medical Solutions. What is unique about VeriShield material? VeriShield is engineered material based on the science of interaction of radiation with matter. Specifically, the interaction of ionizing radiation with matter, like X-rays, gamma rays, neutrons, or charged particles like protons and carbon. So it is not a block that you will find somewhere in nature. It's actually composed of carefully selected natural element with specific proportions based on advanced Monte Carlo simulation modeling. The end result is a homogeneous block that is structurally sound. You can use it to build building, but in terms of radiation shielding, it provides superior simultaneous radiation power against different types of radiation at the same time. What is unique about VeriShield design? Well, VeriShield blocks are designed using natural sine wave form that allow for easy interlock and tight interlock when building with it. So the waveform is in all direction or ends of the block, and when building with it a large wall, the large wall will behave the same way in terms of radiation shielding, or will perform the same way as a single block. So there is no radiation shielding loss in the interface. So whether the radiation is going through the middle of the block or around the interfaces, the end result is the same. Why is it better to build using high density concrete block? Well, there is several reasons using high density concrete block to build a vault is better. First, high density concrete block will provide simultaneous radiation shielding power against different types of radiation. So comparing to the old way of using layered material to shield first against photon and then neutron, for example, the VeriShield block will provide shielding power against both radiation at the same time. So that once you do the job, both jobs at the same time, you save space. And then the other thing, as it's a modular block, you can do a dry build, and then you can reuse the material later on if you want to change location of your vault or something, which you can't do with a regular poured concrete. Another advantage is with Veritas, we have a different type of high density concrete block. So when we tackle a radiation shielding project, we use a specific block based on the type of application to provide the utmost outcome, positive outcome for the customers. Why one should consult Veritas for radiation shielding matter? Veritas is not a simple vendor of high density concrete block. Veritas, the real value of Veritas is actually its ownership of all services that are needed for radiation shielding projects, whether it's a radiation shielding physics and radio protection regulation, whether it's design or structural engineering or project management or construction. Veritas owns it all. Often case, customers come consulting with us while they are at advanced stages of their project, and I will start by reviewing thoroughly their physics calculation and radiation shielding report. And oftentimes I would find elements that could be done differently, elements that could be modified to save time and money for customer, and sometimes save outright trouble down the road. So Veritas have done projects all over the world. So our design, our blocks, doors, you will find them everywhere in the world, whether Australia or Europe or Africa or America. They are all over the place.